Yo, what's up guys? So we got Oh My Girl, Windy Day. Now they got my attention with Liar Liar, so I'm curious to see how this goes. It's so nice. Flying a kite out on the prairie. Okay, we got Windy Day. Good. We're watching the right MV. Hello. She doesn't look too happy. Yeah, let that bird free. They're the birds that need to be let free. I'm reading the English subs here. It's so cute. It's about liking a guy and just being able to express his emotions. Oh, hey! What in the world? What's she doing with a revolver? What, we got some rock and roll all of a sudden because she picked up a gun? Things just got windy, yo. It's alright though. She's doing good. She's not even concerned she just got shot at. No big deal. Why do I feel like something bad's about to happen? Some sort of maze. A maze of emotions. I mean, that's how emotions are, you know, you try to navigate them, understand them, figure out what's going on. Blowing towards me. Your breath blowing towards me. Things just got intense, because the dude blew on her. This should just go Quentin Tarantino, like everyone dies. Melting like sugar. So she's really into this dude, and she's just trying to explain her emotions to us as he gets close to her. It's so like light and innocent and adorable. I don't even know their ages, I haven't looked it up. But they could either be 12 or 22, no idea. Definitely a cute concept. Oh, okay, yeah, no big deal, just stand in the middle of the road. And now they're deer. But they're male deer for some reason, because they've got the antlers, which is a male deer thing. Deer tracks. And that's all she wrote. Okay. I see you, oh my girl. You're bringing out a cute concept here. I like that. It was similar to Liar Liar, just not as like, you know, eerie. I'm not quite sure what's going on with the whole like revolver thing. Like, I don't know why they broke out some Tarantino all of a sudden. Other than that, it seemed like it was just about a girl, you know, really liking a dude, really trying to navigate her own emotions, her own feelings about what in the world she feels about this dude, trying to handle her own emotions when the dude gets close to her, and apparently the dude was blowing on her. Like, is that just a new thing in Korea? I should try that sometime. If there's a cute girl, I should just go up and be like, I mean, maybe it'll work. Maybe she'll make a music video about me. That'd be pretty cool. But until she does, thank you for watching. Leave your comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.